Hey guys, and welcome back. So we got a basher from Hosim today, and it's advertised as, I don't know if it says that on the box though, but on Amazon where I got this, yeah, it says that right there. It's advertised as a 110 scale, and obviously, just by judging the measurements of the box, it's not a full 110 scale, probably more like a 112 scale. And this is brushless. Got some specs here. And the listing on Amazon said 60 plus kilometers per hour, which we will find out. I'm pretty doubtful, to be honest, but we'll check that out. Might be 60 plus on a 3S battery. So let's get this out of the box and have a look. So this reminds me of some of the other Hosim trucks, the one with the dual motor, if you guys remember that one. It looks like a, I don't know, standard monster truck basher with independent suspension. Friction shocks though, and this is rather expensive actually. It's like 180 euros or something like that. So you might be able to find it cheaper elsewhere, I'm not sure. But for that kind of money, I would like to see some oil-filled shocks. So that's a bit of a letdown. These feel better than earlier ones. Feels more soft and grippy, to be honest. But otherwise, got LEDs in the front, and yeah, looks like a Hosim truck, in my opinion. And it looks pretty good. So I'm going to take the body off this one. Notice, and we got the body pins with the little tabs on them, which I like. So I'm going to take the body off and we'll have a closer look on what's hiding underneath. Body feels okay. Feels like decent Lexan to me. And the truck gets delivered with some random accessories like a little wrench and some extra body pins, as well as servo horns. Also got this little brush for cleaning. A waterproof bag, as it said. I don't know. I guess this fabric is waterproof, but the sealing or opening here where you seal it, that's not a waterproof seal, but I guess you can use it for something. Maybe, I don't know, something. And we get the basic USB charger, which I haven't got right here right now because I'm charging the battery, but I do got the instruction manual. So let's see here. Yeah, we've got a picture right there on what's included. So you get two of these lithium ion. No, you get two of these LiPo batteries, 1500 milliamps. So yeah, 60 plus on these. I really doubt it. But as I mentioned, you get two of those, and got a 45 amp ESC, combined receiver ESC. Got the jeans connector as well. Also got a 3-wire servo, which is nice. Not a lot of companies use that old 5-wire, I think it was 5-wire style servos anymore, which is a good thing because they were a pain in the to replace. So this is nice. You can put whatever you want in here. Got a bunch of outlets on the ESC and a outboard brushless motor, which I haven't seen in a basher before. I've seen it in some of the crawlers. I haven't owned one myself, but I've seen it in several crawlers. But here we got it in a basher, and it looks tiny, to be honest. And it's a 2212 brushless outboard motor, which is pretty interesting. And this adds to my skepticism when it comes to the stated speed of 62 plus or 60 plus kilometers per hour, but it should give us some decent speed. Got plastic drive shafts on this one. Really beefy steering links with metal in the middle there, but there's plastic ends, And I don't know, they do look adjustable, maybe. And with ball joints, ball links, got a extra suspension bumper in front, and there's a wheelie bar included, which I put somewhere. I'm going to install that one if I find it. It's a mess in here as usual. It should be here somewhere. Otherwise, I'll run it without it. I'm not sure if I think we're going to need it. Not on the stock battery, at least. Also get 2 battery straps, which is kind of interesting. But as you can see here, the battery compartment is capable of fitting bigger, larger batteries, which is nice. And yeah, otherwise it feels pretty solid. Nice plastic. Philips hardware though. Would have liked some hex hardware, but yeah, Philips, which brings down my which is a bit disappointing in my opinion. But the most disappointing thing with this one is definitely the friction shocks, which are bouncy as I don't know what. So I would have liked to see oil-filled shocks. Hosim, please, oil-filled shocks. It's not expensive and it adds a lot to the driving experience and performance. And so that's one thing I would keep in mind if I buy this. If you were to buy this, just have some extra money for some oil shocks and you will enjoy this a lot more, because yeah, they're no good. And as I mentioned in this segment, price segment, you should be able to take for granted almost that there's oil shocks installed. That's CVDs in the front and the rear actually. So that's nice. And the plastic do look sturdy, should be able to handle 3S, hopefully. I'll see if I find a 3S battery that fits. Otherwise, I'll have to arrange that in another video, but hopefully I'll find one. The standard 12mm hex, metal hex, and a nylock nut. So this is the transmitter. Feels nice. Some trimming options on there. Throttle reverse, and it takes 4 AA batteries. So I got the GPS in there. The throttle is reversed, and even though I changed this, there's no difference. So I don't know. Okay, so that's actually the throttle reverse, the button that says, or the switch that says steering. So yeah, now it's as it should be. The tires, not the best grip. I'll see if I can get a nice pass going. Livelier than I expected. Whoop. Ooh. So let's check the GPS. We got 40 kilometers per hour. Better than I expected, to be honest. So I've got the 3S with me as well. I'm going to try that. I'm suspecting there will be practically no grip. So yeah, faster than I thought. It does handle uneven surfaces decently. Some oil shocks would have made a ton of difference. Bounces around here. Oop. Last steering. Nice. So I got the 3S in there, and yeah, the tires barely any grip. It's it's lively on 3S for sure. So I'll see if I can get a clean pass if I spin out every time, because yeah, tires are pretty awful when it comes to grip on the asphalt. So we'll see here. It's really hard to keep it steady as well. Whoa! Saved it. Yeah, I don't know. One more pass. Nope. Yeah. Terrible tires. Should have brought another set for speed runs. And there's some leaves as well, and then just keep spinning out. But whoop. See if we can get one clean pass. Nice range on this radio, actually. Nope. Ooh. Spun out. So let's bring it in. Check the GPS. 58 kilometers per hour. Not far off the advertised 62. And I bet if you were to get a nice clean pass and full throttle for a little bit longer, you will definitely hit that 62. So yeah, not bad. Three S is mental though. See if I can get a nice high-speed pass on the gravel here. Then I'll call it today for this one, I think.